All right, so this is a new one for me. This is garage conversion leads, or garage ADUs, which otherwise known as accessory dwelling units. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in this right here so that we can single them out. So this is my first time doing this. Never did this before. I took on the challenge because my customer really wouldn't quit asking. So finally did it, and I'm happy to see that we knocked it out of the park on the first try. Now, I don't always knock things out of the park on the first try. Sometimes it takes a while, but I did spend some time coming up with ad copy for this. Now, because my customer is paying for this, I can't show you everything that's going on, but I will share a few pieces of information for you. Number one, the only thing I really did is show people the construction part of it. And when we're talking about who the people are, what people, because you probably want to know the targeting. Can't tell you all the targeting, but I can tell you to look for real estate investors, people that are into real estate investing. That helped me out a lot. And as far as the placements are concerned, for this one, you can actually put them on automatic placements on desktop and mobile phones for this particular kind of campaign. Or what I can say is present day, this is what is working for me. And so this is just for documentation purposes. As you all who have been following me for a long time know, I've been generating leads for almost everything from pest control leads to book writers, and now we're doing garage conversions or garage ADUs. So anyway, thanks for watching my update, and I hope that my customer sells a bunch of these. Talk to you all later.